Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming credentials and deciding what to remove selective trips or the whole account. Open the Uber app, sign in, and go directly to your trips. This is where individual trip records live. Once done, screenshot or export any receipts or 1099s you need, because removal may be irreversible. Make sure to check linked services like Calendar or Google Maps for synced records. Now, locate the trip you want to remove to prepare for the next actions. You now remove or redact specific trips. Open a trip, tap Help or Report an issue, and choose the reason related to data or receipts. Explain clearly why you want the record removed, privacy, mistaken booking, or sensitive info, and request redaction. Once you submit, expect a response timeframe. Make sure to note the ticket ID. If you have many trips to clear, consider account deletion instead, because that initiates a broader data removal process, which we'll handle next. To erase all history, go to Settings, Privacy, then Delete Account, follow the prompts and verify identity. Once requested, your account typically enters a temporary deactivation window, often 30 days before permanent deletion, so keep any needed records during that period. Make sure to unlink payment methods and third-party apps. If deletion fails or data persists, escalate. Reply to support with your ticket ID. Include screenshots or screen recordings, and ask for confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.